Welcome to 5.5 and Google Sites. For this lesson, we're going to go ahead and dive right into doing Google Sites. So let's begin. So we're going to start by going the quick way, which is typing in, which is sites.new and pressing enter. And then we'll get to the page that gentleman was speaking of. We're going to name our page over here in the corner where it says enter site name. We're going to type in ice cream shop. And then once you have that, go ahead and click down here and you'll see it appear there. And for our page here, we're going to name this our welcome page. So we're just going to name it welcome to our shop. And we're going to go ahead and change this image in the background. To do so, we're going to come down here in the corner and we're going to click on image and we'll go to select. And then once you have done that, I want you to come over to Google Images and I want you to click, and then I want you to type in ice cream store fronts and press enter. And then once you have done that, you're going to come down and you're going to locate this image here. And then you're going to insert it. That will be our background. Now, just as our previous video had said, if you look at the top, you do have items that you can choose to place in here, but what we're going to do is I want to jump down and do one of these pre-selected items. So we're going to click on this, and over here in the corner, we're going to go and get an image for this item. So once you have placed this in, you're going to click in here, and then you're going to go and come down to where you see where it says select an image. And then I want you to go to where it says Google Images. And we're going to type in here ice cream employees. And then we're going to look for this image right here and we're going to place that one in. Now, once you have that, it's time to add some text about our ice cream shop. So we're going to, right here, we're going to talk about our shop and say the following. And just as the video was saying, you can come over to this section here and you can also go and change your colors to your background. I changed mine to a blue. This is what I would like you guys to type in for this section. You'll notice up here at the top, this is what I placed in here. And then in the smaller text, this is what I want you guys to put in as well. And if you have any kind of spelling errors or anything in there that it does not grammatically like, they will let you know and they will fix it for you like they are for me, which is nice. It's been a long day. All right, guys, so let's move on and add another page to this. So I'm going to come and go to pages, just like the instructor said on the video. I'm going to come over here to new pages and hit here. And this new page, I'm going to call ice cream cones. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose done on that. And I'm going to keep that same background that we have here. And down here, I'm just going to go ahead and add different items down here. So this page, I'm going to do this. And now I'm going to go and add some different types of ice cream cones that we have. So I'm going to look for different cones on the internet. And the first one we're going to look for is vanilla. So I'm going to look for a vanilla cone and you look for a vanilla cone and we'll see if we find the same one. Remember, you have to go here to look. Let me review that part. You're going to go here and then you're going to come to select image and you got to make sure that you're on Google Images. Okay, that's the vanilla cone that I found. And then what I'm going to do down here is I'm just going to type in that word vanilla. And what I did was I highlighted it and I made it chewy. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look for one, and I'm going to look for chocolate. So see if we can find the same chocolate image as well. Alright, and this is the one that I found for chocolate ice cream. Then I'm going to click here and I'm going to go ahead and place in chocolate ice cream. For this one here, let's find strawberry, and we'll call it strawberry ice cream down here. And then on the last one over here, we're gonna look for coffee, and we'll put coffee down there. So strawberry and coffee. Okay, when you are at this point, you should be done with our second page, which is ice cream cones. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a third page. So you can see that we have them now staggered. See how we have the home page here, and then the ice cream cone page is there. We're going to add another page. And the new page that we're going to have, we're going to call this Shakes. And we are going to come back to the insert item again. And once again, we're going to go ahead and do the 4 items again, just like we did last time. This time I'd like you guys to do this one. The first one I'm going to show you, and then the last 3 I'm going to let you do by yourselves. So the first one we're going to do together. And we're going to look for a vanilla shake. Trying to stay away from the McDonald's ones, of course. Ooh, that one's good. Use that one. And I'm going to type down here underneath. And then, of course, what I want you guys to do is stay consistent with the chewy. And then once you have that, what I'd like you guys to do is to go ahead and add 3 more shakes. 3 more shakes of your choice. Go ahead and put in 3 more shakes of your choice and have some fun with this. So these are the ones that I came up with. After I left you guys, I did strawberry shake, I did chocolate shake, and I did a chocolate chip shake, which I was surprised existed. Alright, now we're going to add another page. So we're going to come down here. We've got now our 3 pages running, and we're going to click on a new page. And our new page is going to be Sundays. So you can see how we're getting the type of theme here of an ice cream shop and all the possible things that could be in a ice cream shop. So on this one, we're just going to do, instead of doing 4 this time, we're only going to do 3. And on the first one, I'm going to have you guys look for a banana float. So we go here and type in banana float. It should give us the Sunday. And there it is. That'll work. Take the first one. And then the next one, what we're going to do is we're going to look also on the internet for a peanut. There it is. Peanut butter sundae. And where is it? Oh, here it is. And there is our peanut butter sundae. And for the last one, we're just going to do a simple strawberry. Sunday. So now we're just going to go back and name those. Alright, and when you're done, yours should look similar to mine. And now we're going to add one more page to our ice cream shop. So we're going to come here and do new page. This page will be called Flurries. And in here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Insert menu. And in this section here, we're going to come up, and this time we are going to put a text box in. And for our text box, we're going to title this Flurries Five, four, three, two, 1. We are going to title this Flurries Ingredients. Five, four, three, two, 1. For this page, Flurries, what we're going to do is we're going to work with that text box area that he was talking about before. And we're going to mention in there how many different types of ingredients that you can actually put in your flurry. So down here, we'll click to put in that text box or start typing in that text box. And then we're going to go ahead and place in this. And I'm going to go ahead and blow that up or make it to a larger font of 18. And I want that also to be in our Chewy style as well. So I'm going to keep that just like this. Now after I've done that, it should maintain my Chewy. And I'm going to come down here and press enter. And I'm going to put in a bullet. Now in that bullet, I'm going to start listing all the different items that I want to put in for my flurries. At this point, you finished placing in all of the choices for the flurries. And we are ready now to publish our site. So we just click on publish, and this is going to be our name. If at this time you wanted to change your name, you could, but I would suggest keeping it the name that you have already given it, because then you will not mess up anything inside your drive. Then you will hit publish. It'll take a minute to be published. Down here it will tell you if your site was successfully published or not. And then all you need to do is to click here and then come down to where it says View Published Site. And you are now on your website you created. If I go back to my home site by clicking on my home tab, here is my home site. It tells me about the hiring of the people. I can click on flurries. That will give me the flurries that I put in. I can click on Sundays and see the different types of Sundays that we're offering, the different shakes that we make, as well as the different ice cream cones that we have as well. This is how you would finish your Google site for 5.5. What I'd like you guys to do, all you need to do for me is to send me your home page. So you just click up here on that URL and you can go and upload your URL to your Canvas. Good luck.